Warning, this video may contain profanity or violence that is not intended for children.
Brainrot.
The next morning.
Would you please get your friend out of my house?
3 days later. One hour later.
See here!
1 minute, 37 seconds later. Later.
Perhaps I can find solitude in the printed word.
Two hours later. "12 seconds later.
This now, if you'll be so kind as to leave. Get out of my house!
2 hours later.
What in the world are you giggling about?
Seconds later.
Painting? This is more fun than anything.
The next day.
No! Huh? No! No!
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Tomorrow. (8:01 p.m.)
You're still there, aren't you?
8 hours later. Three hours later.
Who's ringing the doorbell? You don't know who did it.
2 hours later.
I'm busy spoiling myself.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. If you don't mind, please like it. See you in other videos.